Find entries that do not match between columns and iterate through columns. I have two datasets that I need to validate against. All records should match. I am having trouble in determining how to iterate through each different column. For example, in the above code, I want to compare A_1 to A_2, and B_1 to B_2, to return a new column, A_check and B_check respectively, that return true if A_1 matches A_2 as the A_check for instance. Something like this. But iterable across any given column names, where columns that need to be checked against will always have the same name before the underscore and always have 1 or 2 after the underscore. Ultimately, the actual task has multiple data frames with varying columns to check, as well as varying numbers of columns to check. The output I am ultimately going for is a data frame that shows all the records that were false for any particular column check.
With a bit more comprehensive regex. It will pair together only columns which name ends up with _1 and _2 regardless what you have before in their names, calculating _check only if there are two _1 and _2, assuming you don't have two columns with the same name. For the sample data,
you can use wide underscore to underscore long if you know the first part of the column names, i.e. A, B. Output.
You may split the columns and group B along axis equals 1 on the series of first value of the split result and call ag to compare.
Another way is to use data frame reshaping using pd.multiindexes. Output. If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.